How do you recognize signs of a dog with a broken tail in the middle or tip? Dogs are known for their happy wagging tails, which always seem to be in motion whenever they're excited or happy to see us. However, just like any other bone in their body, a dog's tail is susceptible to injury, including fractures or breaks. In this video, we will discuss how to recognize the signs of a dog with a broken tail in the middle or tip, and what steps you should take to help them recover. Firstly, it's important to note that a broken tail in dogs is more common than you might think. This is especially true for dogs with long, thin tails, such as greyhounds or whippets. The tail can easily get caught indoors, stepped on, or accidentally pulled, resulting in a fracture or break. Additionally, more active dogs who enjoy rough play or outdoor activities are also at a higher risk of tail injuries. So, how can you tell if your dog has a broken tail? One of the most apparent signs is a change in their tail position. A normally wagging tail that suddenly becomes limp or hangs down may indicate a fracture or break. Some dogs might even hold their tail between their legs to protect the injured area. If you notice your dog avoiding wagging their tail or being overly protective of it, it's time to investigate further. Another sign to look for is swelling or bruising around the tail. A break in the tailbone can cause bruising or inflammation in the surrounding tissues. Gently run your hands along your dog's tail, applying slight pressure to check for any unusual lumps or sore spots. However, be cautious not to further hurt your pup, as they may be in pain and uncomfortable. In some cases, you might observe that your dog is having difficulties with bowel movements. A broken tail can affect the nerves and muscles in the area, resulting in temporary or permanent loss of control over their bladder or bowels. If you notice your dog having accidents or straining during elimination, it could be an indication of a broken tail. Additionally, behavioral changes might occur when a dog has a broken tail. They might become more irritable, easily startled, or even show signs of aggression. This is usually due to the constant pain and discomfort they feel, making them more sensitive to their surroundings. If your usually well-behaved dog suddenly exhibits aggressive behavior or seems unusually moody, it's essential to consider a possible tail injury. Now that we have explored how to recognize the signs of a dog with a broken tail, let's discuss what steps to take if you suspect your dog might have such an injury. First and foremost, it's crucial to contact your veterinarian as soon as possible. They will be able to determine the extent of the injury and provide appropriate treatment options. Your vet might request an X-ray to get a clear picture of the fracture or break and develop a suitable treatment plan. Depending on the severity of the injury, your dog might require pain medication or antibiotics to prevent infection. Your vet might also suggest immobilizing the tail by bandaging it or using a splint to allow proper healing. In some cases, surgery might be necessary to realign the broken bones or remove any bone fragments. While your dog is recovering from a broken tail, it's essential to provide them with a calm and quiet environment. Restrict their movements and limit their physical activity to prevent further injury. Keep an eye on their tail and ensure that they are not licking or chewing on the affected area, as this can delay the healing process. If necessary, your vet might recommend the use of an Elizabethan collar to prevent your dog from self-inflicting additional harm. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken tail in the middle or tip is crucial for their health and well-being. Look out for changes in tail position, swelling or bruising, difficulties with bowel movements, and behavioral changes. If you suspect your dog has a broken tail, contact your veterinarian immediately for a proper diagnosis and suitable treatment options. With proper care and attention, your furry friend will be back to wagging their tail in no time.